This is the damage I did at 3 a.m. in the morning when I couldn't sleep because I had coffee past 2 p.m. that day. I decided to declutter my wardrobe. It's been a long time coming, and there were just a few things in there that I thought, when will I ever wear this? So I thought to myself, you know what, this could be a good idea for a YouTube video. Someone out there might be struggling with what to take out, what to leave in. And yeah, let's get into it. 7 questions to ask yourself to help you declutter up to 50% of your wardrobe. Number 1, let's start with the easy one. Do I actually like this? For some weird reason, we have an attachment to, these like physical items. It's a weird one. There were some things that I was looking at and I just couldn't let it go for some. It was a weird emotion. Some of them I have an emotional attachment to, and it's weird because it's just clothes, but I don't actually like them anymore. It's not me anymore. And for some of them I had to think about why was it that I liked that item so much I couldn't give it away, even though I've had it for 7 to 8 years. So do I actually still like this? The new me, the new style that I've developed, my new fashion sense. Do I actually like this? If the answer is no, then toss it out. Number 2, when was the last time I wore this? If you can't remember, that's just a tell sign. That is an immediate no. If you can't remember the last time you wore it, chances are you never will wear it again. Toss it out. Number 3. Where can I wear this to? This one is a strange one, especially with new items that you've bought but you've just never worn it. And it might be a bit hard to give away a new item because you're like, oh, I've not got a good use out of it. But it doesn't matter. Just give it away. If you can't figure out where you would ever wear it to, then give it away. Number 4. If someone gifted me this as a birthday present, will I be excited to wear it? That goes without saying. Number 5. Will someone else do a better job wearing this than me? Will someone else wear this better or more often than I will? If the answer is yes, then give it away to someone else. This also relates to the brand new items that you feel bad for giving away because you haven't worn it. Maybe someone else will wear it better. It doesn't fit nicely, and that's why it's still in your wardrobe and you've never ever worn it since the last time you bought it 2 years ago. Just give it away. Someone else will wear it nicer and more often. Number 6. If I give this away, will I miss it? Will I even remember that I gave it away? If the answer is no, toss it out. And finally, number 7. Is there something else I would rather have instead of this? Sometimes we have something that we like, but we don't love, and we would rather replace it with something else. But because we have that item, we can't justify buying something else that's just as similar to it. Just do yourself a favor, give it away, toss it out, and buy yourself that new jacket that you love so much. That's all. Bye bye.